Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless LAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, fan, speakers, display panel assembly, and DC-in connector. Removal: disconnect the following cables: fingerprint reader ribbon cable, touchpad board ribbon cable, keyboard light ribbon cable, keyboard ribbon cable, power button board ribbon cable. Remove the 5 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the motherboard to the top cover. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the USB board to the top cover. Release the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Carefully lift the USB board and right edge of the motherboard off of the alignment pins. Slide the external connectors on the motherboard out of the cutouts in the top cover and remove the motherboard and USB board. Note: before installing a motherboard, remove the following from the old motherboard and install on the new motherboard: memory boards, heatsink, USB board and ribbon cable, fingerprint reader ribbon cable, touchpad ribbon cable. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard. Important: after motherboard replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings.